Hey.
Hi guys.
What? What are you gonna say now?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
Alright guys, so today we are installing our air vent in the roof. We have this FIAMMA turbo vent. This is an electric fan. It's going to run off the 12 volt leisure battery. It takes air in and out of the car. It also has a thermometer, so it can detect the temperature inside the van and you can set it to keep the van at a constant temperature. So we are replacing the old fan, well not the old fan, the old vent that the van came with, which was just a normal open and close vent. So we already have a hole in the roof of the van. Because we are replacing the old vent, we already have a hole in the ceiling. We just have to extend it a little bit. So we're going to cut this to the right size using a jigsaw, and then I'll show you the next steps for installing the fan. Because the roof is uneven, the fan is at a bit of an angle, so we're either going to have to find a way to lower down this side, maybe by flattening the roof with a pliers or something, get rid of the little bump here, or use silicone to make this part higher, but I don't think that's a good idea. We're just building this 2x1 frame here, which is what the top part of the fan on the roof is going to screw into underneath. This frame is going to line up with all the screw holes around the edge of the frame here, and that is going to sit just around the edge of this hole here, and the fan will screw down into it. This frame is going to just sit there, and the screws will come down through the fan and into this, so that will keep the fan nice and tight to the roof.
What?
Still a massive gap, so we need to screw it. I think before that silicone dries we really need to screw that. Okay, so that's all today. Thanks for checking out our channel, and we hope this was helpful, and subscribe so you can see how we build the rest of our van.
Give us thumbs up.
Bye.
See you next video. Bye.